Hey guys, my name is Vilana and now I'm going to conduct a survey among friends from Hong Kong. Okay, let's go!
I think the thing that most impressed me is the mosquitoes everywhere, just like
I want to stay here and learn something new, and I want to try the new things, so I came here.
What impressed me, I think that is the weather here, because the weather here I think it's quite hot like Hong Kong, but in fact it's like very very cool and very comfortable, like the autumn in Hong Kong is not like.
When I come here, I'm so surprising, and because he is not very famous around the world, and I hope I can come here to watch more about here things, and I'm very exciting. Here the roads are quite bumpy, so the car is, and so the ride is quite bumpy, and there are many ups and downs on my ride here. Okay.
I think is that the houses in here are so they are not high, because in Hong Kong the lands are so there are land shortage, and in Yakutia my teachers told me that the people can share 1 kilometer or to 2 kilometers per person in Yakutia.
Here the environment is different to Hong Kong. It's different with Hong Kong, yes.
In Hong Kong, even in the country parks, there are not many bugs, but in here there are a lot of bugs. But it's kind of an impression, yeah.
I think one of the most unusual things up here is the very long daytime, the sunlight time, because in Hong Kong the daytime is not as long as here, and so the real black night here is very short actually.
Like the weather and the number of mosquitoes. Also, like there are many horses and cows in the road, which we'll never see in Hong Kong.
We think that is in here maybe we is not very light here food, and so we bring some cup noodle in from Hong Kong.
I bring some snack and bread with me.
I didn't bring any food with me from Hong Kong. I think I didn't bring any Hong Kong food. I bought the snacks and bought the drinks from here, from Yakutia.
I bring cup noodles to come here, because I have been listening to my teacher. They say here the food is not very good, so I'm very scary. So I take the cup noodle to come here, and when I feel hungry tonight, I will take here to eat. I just brought some snacks like Oreo, so nothing more.
I brought some cup noodles with me and also some snacks.
My classmate told me that the food in Yakutia is not suitable for the flavor of Hong Kong people, but when I arrived at Yakutia, and I think that the food although it is not very tasty, but I think it is normal.
I know here there are many the new technology, and has many special things as food. Yes.
I only know it's in Siberia, and it's a Russian area, and that's all.
I think Yakutia here is very cold before I come here, and there is no air pollution, no any pollution. I think here is a very good place for trip and learning more history, physical, bio, and anything. I knew that it has a very extreme temperatures, like it's very cold in the winter and sometimes very hot in the summer, and it is also have some permafrost in the ground, so it leads to some complications in the construction of buildings.